When you have a timing belt engine, when your mechanic tells you it includes the water pump replacement, and you wonder if he's telling you the truth. If you have a timing belt driven water pump, when he's doing a timing belt, yes, that's correct. If the water pump has not been replaced recently, then you need to do the water pump, because you don't want to pay for labor to get to the water pump. You have to remove the timing belt anyway. And when you do the timing belt, you should do the crankshaft seals, idler pulley tensioner, oil pump seals, gaskets. Any seal gasket should be replaced. You do not have to change the camshaft pulley or the crankshaft pulley unless it's damaged. But if he's telling you he has to do a timing belt replacement including water pump, that's correct. Unless the water pump was recently replaced, and at that time they should have done a timing belt and all that job. So if you're doing a timing belt, you should do the water pump, or if you're doing a water pump because it's leaking, you should do a timing belt. Unless the timing belt was recently replaced.